Okay. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. You deserve as much. Yes, babe. For a very long time, masama rin ang loob ko kay Attorney Meredith. I held it in for so long. Pero nung nalaman ko na namatay siya, and that Keystone needed a lawyer para sa murder case niya, I took the job. Because I wanted to see for myself. Gusto ko malaman mismo kung anong klaseng tao yung nabayang matagal kong inisip na dahilan kung bakit nawalan ng hustisya si Mama. Pero alam mo, babe, ang nakausap ko yung mga taong malapit sa kanya. Do you know what I discovered? I found out that she was a kind, honest woman. Na minsan hindi siya gumawa ng kahit na anuman para madungisan yung integridad niya, babe. She was a woman of honor. Kaya nung malaman ko yun, finally, nalet ko na lahat ng galit na itinanim ko sa puso ko para sa kanya, para kay Mang Kanor. I was finally able to let go. Move on. Finally, I was able to accept yung ruling ng korte dati na inosente nga si Mang Kanor. And I moved on.
Nung niligawan mo ako, were you being honest? Gusto mo na ba talaga ako noon pa? O pinursu mo lang ako para pagbuntunan ako ng galit mo kay Matty before?
My intentions with you have always been honest from the beginning.